Step 5. Imaging functions. Freezing images. While scanning, press the freeze key and press the freeze key again to reactivate the image. After freezing, Cine Review is available moving the trackball. Zooming images. Read zoom. Rotate the zoom key on the control panel. It allows you to manipulate the image and enlarge it. Right zoom. Press the zoom key on the control panel, then a green box comes out on the screen. Locate the box and press the zoom key once more. Then the zoom image will be displayed in a good image resolution. Store a still image. eCube i7's 2-print keys are assigned for each different function to save images or Cine. For the conveniences, we assigned P1 to both function saving still image and printout. Freeze the image and scroll the trackball to find desired image. After you find it, press P1 to capture still image. Cine. We have 2 ways to store a Cine clip: prospective and retrospective. Go to the image preset on the keyboard, then you can change Cine time span and select the way to store. If you prefer starting saving when you press button, use prospective. To save a Cine clip, just press the P2 key while scanning. Retrospective can be used in the same way, but past time is stored from the time you press the P2 key. Dual screen. To compare images or measure volume, dual screen is useful. Press the dual key in live imaging mode. The image is shown on the left of the display. Press dual key again to activate the second image. To exit the dual imaging, press the Gain 2D key.